Who's ready to crush it in 2020 with Facebook ad breaks? Or really, it's called InStream now. So we're gearing up to kill it in 2020. We've been doing very well the past 5 or 6 months, but as you can see, we're gearing up here. 21.8 million minutes viewed in the last 14 days. 4.5 million 1-minute video views. That's the what you need to earn on ads is 1 minute video views on 3-minute videos. You can see here 12.93 second, and a ton of engagement, almost 400,000 in engagement in the past 2 weeks, and net followers of 31.3K followers in just 2 weeks. So that's about 2,000 a day. So just wanted to give you guys a picture of what's possible. As you can see here, this is 100% organic. And in our course, we'll get into this stuff here, the cross-posted stuff, because we do get a lot of traffic from that. We build networks of pages, not just a single page. You can do it on a single page, but you're not going to be able to take it as big or as far until you start building out the networks. And we get into that on our course, which you can see in the description below this video if you're watching it on YouTube, or if you end up watching this on Facebook. It'll probably end up in the comments section. And this will just give you an idea of earnings that's possible. So that's 6,400 in 2 weeks. So that's 3,200 a week. Not bad at all. It's almost 500 a day. Close to that if I did the math right. And you can see it's down here. A large reason for that is this right here. And that has dropped off right before Christmas into the new year. Ad spend is just down, and that's where the revenue comes from. So if this was up to where it was the previous 14 days, this would also be up about 33% as well, just to give you an idea of the earnings that are possible. No guarantees, obviously, but we can show you how to do what we do to do this, and some tips, tricks, and some pitfalls to avoid. So check out the link in the description below, and we'll see you on the next video.